Alrighty guys, I installed the Nutone Varanda here in my living room. As y'all know from the last video, I was planning on replacing the Delta 2 with this because it was way too wobbly and way too noisy. And I've had this fan for months now, ever since I got the dining room original, and it's definitely deserving of a spot in the house. Even possibly more than a Delta 2 in my opinion, because these are rarer. Although both good fans and both K55s, as we know. I believe this is from 1984, just like the dining room original, because that house was built in 1984. It is nice golden brown. My parents are okay with the fan. Not their favorite, but they're okay with it. I love the golden brown. It's an underrated finish, if you ask me. You got the nice, unique stencil blades. You don't see that type very often. I'll show the light. There's the knob right there. There's the 4. There's the single. And of course all 5. It's a really good looking fan. Very happy to have it in my collection. I'm glad it's finally gonna have a place to be. Now I will show off the variable speed. Start with a variable low, of course. Get it going. Alright, start it off on the variable low. Get it going. Start off on a nice aesthetic low. Here, let it get up to speed. I think I'll give it a little push. No, it can go slower than this. There we go. Or not. Oh, there it goes. It's a funny little thing. I love the cardboard box variable speeds on fans. Sadly they didn't make too many fans like this, except for like Casablanca Zephyrs and stuff like that. I think they should have made more variable speed fans. So yeah, that's basically your aesthetic low right there. Now let's get it on more of a normal low speed. Crank up the knob. There it is on what I consider like a more conventional low speed. Already blowing pretty good air. Got that nice, good blade pitch. Give you a top shot of it up there. Got the big brown ball canopy. Oh, how I love big brown balls. That's a joke, people. Now we'll have it on medium. Have it on medium speed. Of course, it can get faster than this or slower, have in-betweens, but I'm just going to go ahead and just do the aesthetic low, medium, and high thing. Just because that'd be the most simple and easiest. Blowing absolute ton of air, as always. Really good quality blades, nice metal flywheel. And overall, it just matches this living room absolutely perfectly. Matches my furniture. As we know, brass, of course, looks good with wood as well. I guess I'll now show high. There goes high speed. It blows a ton of air. I drove about half across the state almost to get this fan and the dining room original. because that was the first original I was able to find. That was in not out of state, and I managed to convince my parents to take me. And the guy was wondering if I wanted to buy this as well. He thought it was another original, but obviously he realized it wasn't. But I still wanted it. A lot of air. I'll show the fan light running. That's really nice. Now we'll turn the fan off so I can reverse it. No. Oh wait. We'll reverse here. So yeah, that's about it. I thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. Goodbye.